Jesus, we're in for a long one today, guys. The hard drive of doom and despair, actually. This is you. Protected hard drive, which is very stable. And these are the guys she tells you not to worry about. Fuck, there you go. One of them is 1 terabyte. Thank you. Exceptional recording. I've been trying my best to get this one out. You may have noticed the failed attempts. Fuck, not on this screw, the other side. Here. I think you may have noticed a bit. The hard drive of doom and despair, we call these guys. Around here, okay, buddy. Yeah, you may have noticed, it's, very fucked. Jesus, I don't have any screwdrivers for this, so, we're getting out the big guns. We're starting out with the big guns. Holy fuck. We're starting out with big guns. Okay. Okay. Time to try the best of my abilities to actually get this to work. Hold on. Fuck. I have nothing to keep the phone with. Yes, I'm doing all of this in my recording. There you go. Hi, you can also see me a bit. Hi, hello. You can see the knife. Jesus. Okay. Yeah, you may have noticed this crew does move a bit. Let's try our best, guys. How hard can it be? Fuck, my phone. Jesus. Yes, I'm keeping my phone with my own wallet. Do not ask why, nor how. Yes, I know you can see me also. Hi. Jesus, it's so hard to keep. It's staying without the wallet, by the way. That was a waste of time. I'm sorry for the waste of your time, because I am not editing this shit. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's working. Oh my god. Yeah. Finally. One of them unscrewed. Guys, look here. You see me right here. Yeah. Hi. Oh my god. Guys. Screw. One screw. We're gonna lose it so fast. Let's try and unscrew this one now. Guys, okay. Hi. This is... Hold on. Let me try it here real quick. I hope I don't stab myself by complete accident. It is a moving! Who? It isn't moving at all. Let me show you actually. Look. This is the worst kitchen knife ever. Yes, average Romanian kitchen knife. Okay, I get it, guys. I get it. No need to point out it's done. Okay. Yeah, no, it doesn't work. Hold on. I'm gonna force the hard drive out. Guys, I'm trying to force the hard drive out. Yeah, somehow. So, we've at least got one screw. Oh, Jesus. Yeah, well, how am I supposed to do this shit? What the fuck should I do about this? Okay, thank you very much for... Why did that one work but the rest don't? Holy fuck. Is it that hard? Jesus, I mean, I know it doesn't like being fucking opened with a knife, but what can I do? This is the corner of doom and despair, look. The corner of doom and despair. Focus! Hold on. You see that? That is what I like to call the corner of doom and despair. Jesus, bro. I'm gonna... No. All this is a protective casing. All of this is to protect the hard drive. I have a dumb idea. What if... Hold on. Where is it? Is it this one? Yes. 1 terabyte, guys. Okay, so, what if we just take the 1 TB hard drive? Focus, please. There you go. Look, 1 TB. Uh, why? This will not work. So, I basically have another PlayStation 4, which is currently plugged in and actually on. Yeah, kind of. Look, there is a second one here. Yes, I know, very dirty. Okay. So, okay. This, hold on. Fuck, why is he bent actually? Okay. Well, we'll never know how the fuck that one works. I will hate myself because the cable management here sucks, and I have to also plug in an HDMI and the power cable in this one now, and we have to try and boot into safe mode, which as you may notice, we have a little bit of an oops. Yes, I know it's dirty. Old console. The PlayStation 4 is so old. Anyway, bit of an issue. Small bit of an issue. Yes, I know the quality sucks. Okay. Small bit of an issue. I have nothing to actually get this in. Holy shit, this is that even... I kind of feel it a bit connecting at the same time, I don't know. I mean, I kind of feel it. Hopefully it is. If not, oops. It is therefore connected. Yeah, I can't put it back that fast. Yeah, it is. Yeah! Yeah! Okay, sorry for the overreaction. Okay, I'm gonna try and get this actually. Okay, let's turn off the other PlayStation 4 and I'm gonna be right back after I actually get this shit to actually have both cables. Whoops! Jesus, it's taking a while to turn off. That's taking so long. Fuck! The sweet cables. You know what time it is. What? Well, I'm back with the cables plugged in, but there's still one issue we need to fix. We need to address this. The power button is actually here. Right here. Fuck! Okay, anyway. You get it. Right this hole in the middle. Right that. That is around where the power button is. I have to get something for that. Fuck! Desperate measures call for desperate situations. Wonderful. I will hate myself. Let's actually try this shit. Well, it is kind of entering, but yes, I know, peak recording experience. You have to deal with it. I don't give a flying fuck. Deal with it. Fuck you. Okay, hold on. I can do it. I can do it. You see how the knife is stuck there? Yeah, I don't think I can do it. Hold on. I will just leave the phone for 1 second. I've resorted to the worst measures possible and I've heard it spark. Literally. Oops. Oopsie. Oops. At the end of the day, I have realized I just can't get it to power on, but it did indeed connect, because look, this is connecting the same way, like literally I feel it connecting, and I also felt that one also connecting, so these do connect. Yes, the fork is still here. Literally, these do connect, I just can't get it to power on. Fuck!